Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's install this lovely unit. So this is a 9x6 and this unit is by OQ. This was initially a glueless wig. I just chose to install it using glue because I find that it's much nicer to install a 9x6 than a 13x4. For me, it looks much better. Also with the longevity, it stays much longer than an ear-to-ear closure because the tabs of the ear keep on lifting, sort of like on an ear-to-ear closure. So this one is much easier to sort of like put on and also maintain as well because there's no ear tabs. But anyway, you guys, I went in with two layers of Ghost Bond, dried that off, and once that was dry, I am making sure that I am sticking on my wig properly. The lovely thing about this is that this is an HD lace. It's much easier to install. So over here, you guys, I'm just lifting spots that are lifting, going in with some Ghost Bond. There will always be parts that are lifting, so you just go in with a little bit of Ghost Bond and make sure that it's stuck on properly. That is what I'm doing over here. You can choose to do this with your finger or with your comb, depending which one suits you best. But yeah, guys, this is my lovely wig. So I'm just going in with a band for like 20 minutes. And over here, I was just thinking I want to do like heatless curls because I haven't done them in a long time. And I wasn't quite sure about doing heatless curls on this wig because I like it so much. I love this wig so much. So with heatless curls, if you want them to come out like properly, you've got to like layer your hair. So I wasn't willing with this wig, so I wanted to see first, is it gonna curl up properly when I use heatless curls? Then if it does, then I might consider going to a professional to cut it for me because I don't want to make any mistakes with this wig because I just love this unit so much. OQ Hair has one of best Chinese hair, so if you're looking for Chinese hair, they've got great quality, and that is just what's shown on this video over here. So wish me luck with these heatless curls. If you've tried them, guys, let me know how it went. So I did not have those big curling rods, so I just went in with my smaller curling rods and a sock as well. With the other ones, you'll just see that I'm just using like pure socks. My socks, I took my winter socks and that's what I'm rolling over there. So honestly, you can DIY them, and these bigger socks or much fuller socks, they can do the job properly because they're much bigger and they can do the job like much better. So at the end, I just used like a hairband to tie it together, and I've sectioned this unit in 3 parts so that it just can come out differently and also in different shapes as well. So I'm gonna let it on, you guys, for like 24 hours and I'll come back the following day and I'll show you. Obviously for you, it's gonna be like in this video. So this is me going to sleep and making sure that everything is sitting properly. Guys, if this does not come out well, I am not sure what's gonna happen because the following day I have somewhere to go. So if this style does not work out, child, it's gonna be a problem. But the curl over here was promising, and the second one, let us just see.
Waited all my life for someone like you to show. Now that you're mine, it's so hard to take things slow. Oh, don't wanna wait another day, don't wanna fire to fade to glow. We're going under the weather, harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night.
At this point, you guys, I was super excited to see the final result because it seemed like everything is gonna go well. At least that's what I thought. What do you guys think so far? Let's style it and let's see what you think. What do you guys think about this? I think it's nice. I think it's lovely. However, I should do or consider doing layers because it would come out much better when it has layers. If it's coming out like this without layers, child, imagine with layers. So definitely I'm gonna cut it, guys, and I'm not gonna be scared. I will do it because I think this wig is proving to be looking good. The volume will be perfect. Anyway, my love, this is me. I love you loads. I'll definitely see you in my next upload. What do you think about this unit? Are you a girly girl that loves curls, or are you just a simple girly who likes straight hair? I think for me, I'm slowly falling into the natural curls, like waking up looking like this, just curling and doing heatless curls. I think for me that is perfect because yeah, doing heating it on a daily basis, I feel like that's a lot of work, but curling it the night before, I feel like, yeah, I can do that as a nightly routine on a daily basis and I won't get irritated like I am curling hair every day. Yeah, I think this looks good, but let me know what you think. I love you loads. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Outside, my brother, I don't want pull no trigger. I just want